Alrighty, here's the start of my video critiques. First off is the headline newsreader. I have all of them downloaded, but here is the application. I already started looking around here. I do like the loading message while it loads, I guess, the XML. Let's see. Now, what I might have done would be underlining all the links just to make them more like web friendly, but it's not a problem. The whole design in general looks really boxy, and the drop shadows are kind of really drop shadowy. They really don't fade in too well, but overall I think it's a pretty good design. All the content's displayed right. I do like how it takes, when you read more, it takes you to the actual web page or a frame of the web page. Not so bad. Let's see here. Looks like you try to incorporate uh, sort of the headers. You have the whole main headline, like the default Chrome type appearance with the X button on the rollover. I do like how all your buttons show the cursor, which is helpful, and so do all your links. And you can resize this, even though when you resize it, it kind of scales it. And you might want to lock that for your applications. Especially how you can, I don't know, sort of see your stage on there. It's kind of neat. But overall, I like it. I think it looks pretty neat. It must have took a lot of time to make it, so let's see. I just randomly search keywords. Alrighty. Next up would be find me a job. Pull up its application. Now, if you would put this up against anything sort of difficult, like if I put it up against the back of the site, or if I would bring it up like I did, it'd be difficult to read, but that's not too bad. Yeah, like I said, I've been messing around with some of this, so we can type in like web designer, see what comes up in different countries. And I like how you can go side to side. We'll basically view the different pages. What I've noticed is there's not really any animation per se, like when you close or open, or when you sort of just really goes from one to another, like different frames. It's not like a clean row, like a clean transition, I'm trying to say. The gradients are pretty neat on here with the different design, and the whole rounded edges I really like. You might want to, I don't know, looks like some of the titles are cut off here. Maybe like a dot 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 type of thing. But you also might want to, when you hover over these, it would be kind of cool if it would highlight maybe. That might be kind of neat. Other than that, it's pretty good design. I have the whole career builder. It looks, that image kind of looks distorted by there. That's not too bad. Could be really useful to a lot of people since everybody's looking for a job. If you do notice here, it looks like right here you got a drop shadow or something here. I think you made this one. It looks like it's in Photoshop or something, but it looks like that might have been off one of the edges or something. You might just need erase that up or something. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. It works. You really don't need any errors, because when you submit it with nothing in there, it just gives you, I guess, a generic type deal. I don't know, maybe ask for require a keyword instead of just submitting anything. Might be a suggestion. Alright, Instant Einstein. I didn't get a chance to really look at this one. Not, for some reason I can't, not loading. I don't know why. For their site-wise, it's pretty good design. Like I said, I like the rounded edges type deal. Like the whole, like you can see on my site, that's like that thing I didn't really like about it was the screenshots were really tiny. I mean, you could maximize them, but you really can't see what you're looking at like beforehand. Let's see what else. And the looks like these are all images, the titles. So I guess really CEO isn't too good there. Let's see if I can view selected, not selected source. What am I doing? Find the badge, and that won't help me at all. I guess just can't do too much to find the application. I do have an idea. And this won't help me either. Alright, I bet it was a good application though. Alright, next up on deck, let's see here. Do have this opened. Now, the UI on here, what I did notice off the back was sort of, if you'd have it on a different background, it could be like if you had it on your desktop, and your desktop was pretty graphically intense, it might be kind of difficult to read, but it is like a widget style. That's pretty neat. Let's see, I think I was trying this, and I couldn't figure out how to get a team going here. It doesn't give me an error or anything. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. But I don't get it. I like the website though, it's pretty neat. Looks, with somebody with a bigger screen though, it could be kind of tiny. So maybe like an expandable type deal, or at least the width size be, I don't know, be 1,000 pixels or so. I'm not sure what's going on with this. It's a nice design though. I mean, I like the gradients and the roundedness, and how the baseball is sort of half on, half off, and a whole on deck looks like a ESPN type deal. So that's pretty neat. The custom, maybe with the custom close and minimize button, have a gradient type deal. I don't know. Last but not least, Rock Out Live. I really like this site, to be honest. It's really cool. The screenshots are nice and big. Alright, the colors go really well. Like I said, I've been looking at this a little bit here. I don't know, let's see. Sorta, I don't know if you could have made a custom type window, like a custom Chrome type window. It just seems like a web page in a browser. I don't know, there's just a lot of room around it. I mean, it's a pretty basic design. I really like this guitar logo. Your branding looks really cool. But let's see if I can think of anything else. What other artists are there? I don't really listen to too much music. Lincoln Park, I don't know. Alright, cool, you have a error message. Let's see here. Actually, it'd help if I spelled it right, wouldn't it? Alrighty, if that's spelled it right or not. I don't know. But yeah, that's a pretty cool design. Really basic. I think that you sort of, yeah, there we go. It goes back to the main one. That's pretty cool. There's no real transition to it, but like it's like a sort of like an instant flash. But I mean, I really like the design, and the whole powered by thing is pretty cool. Looks like it would be like their logo almost. So it's cool how you did that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Can't think of any music people right now. Let's see. I'm not really that big into music, so but yeah. Overall, I mean, that's a pretty cool site. I also, when I was looking here, when I was looking for the on deck application in my apps, it sort of came up as main, so it wasn't any titles. I mean, maybe that's a pretty simple fix. Go in there and switch that to on deck in your XML. I forgot to talk about that. But overall, I mean, everything seems to be really good. I think they turned out really well, and we'll be seeing each other all in the next class.